These are gonna disintegrate.
On your toes.
That is officially holding 338 pounds.
This is insane.
There's nothing left to say. We're doing a weight test for the brackets. I found wood.
Woo!
Yay! Take!
50 pounds.
50 pounds, almost exactly. That's why.
51.
Yeah.
51 pounds.
50 cents.
All right.
A whopping 4 pounds.
4 clubs. This has been being set up around me, but I'm very excited to be a part of it. We're going to test all of our shelf bracket designs to destruction. 3D printed and the welded versions. This will be fun.
So we are at Hustle Haven, which is, this is my wife and I am here in Roanoke, the yoga spin studio, and we're going to do some destructive tests on, I don't know, we were trying to figure out what's a good place we can really do this, and I was like, wait a minute, we have lots of weights, because we're kind of a gym kind of situation, and we put this outdoor wall that I think would be kind of appropriate.
So we could do the 3D printed ones here,
Okay.
and the metal ones here.
Yeah. Yeah, right here.
Yeah, like right there.
Perfect. They're all fully assembled like they would be if we shipped them to you. By the way, they are for sale, liftdarkstudios.com. These aren't though, but you can buy a 3D printer. You should get one from Creality.
Yeah.
Depending on our weight tolerances, these may be for sale.
Legitimately, Creality, the K1,
Right.
it makes amazing prints.
Y'all been hurting that thing, and it is just keeping coming back
Put
for
it to
more.
the test. All right, here, give me. Don't squeeze it too much.
Yeah, without breaking it.
You're a very
just-
strong boy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I mean, I think triple digits for sure.
All right. Well, give me like a number.
Is this Price is Right rules, by the way?
Yeah.
See,
We're going over?
No. I think just whoever's closest.
Okay.
Yeah.
because I'm gonna say $1 over Aaron no matter what.
Yeah.
So I already said my guess. I'm gonna stick with that.
What was it? 134.
134 for the raindrop.
For the pair, the two.
Yes.
Yes.
Total. I need an answer.
98.
Okay. Aaron.
148. I'm going to keep it interesting.
Okay, I'm also gonna
Walker.
keep it interesting. Go low. I'm gonna go 80.
How dare you?
Ooh.
How dare you? This is my work. All right. Bridge.
I'm gonna go 125.
125.
I'm gonna go 126. No. I'm gonna go 108.
Okay.
Go 120.
120.
Going in the opposite direction.
Walker.
You're only 5.
I'm gonna keep undershooting. I'm gonna go 90.
All right.
$1.
Just keep it interesting.
Next up is Bubbles.
I'm gonna guess sets.
130.
No way. I don't think it's gonna go much past. I think 75.
75.
Yeah.
You know what? I believe in my work. Let's go 151.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I'm going 100 flat.
100 flat. And then our brand new design, Solstice.
Oh yeah. This one's kind of a curveball.
Inspired by someone's ex-girlfriend. This one's gonna be a wild card.
Yeah.
Because this
140.
this shape doesn't exist in civil engineering, so it's hard to
140.
predict. I'm gonna do 110.
110. I'm gonna say
The whole scale of our guesses could
Yeah.
be way wrong.
157, because that's how much I weigh.
Like, there's a chance that whoever guessed the highest on each round is gonna win.
Yeah.
Because we just.
Well, you know, I'm gonna
I wanna
go
see
for
this
exactly
graph.
that. I'm gonna say 200.
200.
Just in case we are massively underselling all of
Walker
because
went 80, 90, 100, 200. All right, so that's the 3 prints.
All right, let's get some weights.
yeah.
I'll start mounting the first one. We will be using Power Pro premium roofing metal to wood screws.
So on the 3D prints, these certainly won't be the things that fail.
No, that's the idea. We don't want the fasteners to be the thing that rips out.
Yeah.
I don't think I need all three
135.
three screws. These are gonna disintegrate.
I could have gotten more, but Aaron didn't want me to.
Yeah,
Upload, upload.
Oh yeah, dude, no problem. Hey, no affecting the bets.
So, Decon.
How much do you think these 3D printed brackets will hold? Weight-wise.
Wait.
yeah.
What do you guys think?
We said
We had 98, 148, 80, 134. And this is based off of zero knowledge.
I was going to say less than 100.
Well, I think you may be right. Upon closer inspection,
We're gonna do the stranger
I'm going to
bet.
go 76. I'm
76.
going to go lowball it.
All right, let's do it.
Is there a flat spot on those weights? Yeah, there is.
There is. That's not it. But
There we go.
all right, so that's 9.
some aesthetic consistency here. Sorry. Anyway,
18.
Thinking we're sneaking in some 6-pounders.
27.
Oh, we're bending. We're bending away from the back.
Need one on the left. Oh, look at that thing buckle.
Holy
Oh, we overshot.
All right, so that's 5 of them. Watch your toes.
Awesome.
Okay.
So that was 6.
Decon's
They're probably 5.5.
cruises up and wins.
Between 5 and 6.
Give me my money.
So do we consider it the weight that broke it?
I
Or do we
I'm
consider it the last weight it held?
The last weight
weighted hell because
Yeah.
you know that's the
So I did
Yeah.
5
Probably
between
take
5 and 6. Next time we need to hang them where the layers go this way, because you see how this one sheared up here. This one, the layers go this way, and it just went straight up.
Oh,
So next time we do that.
the layers need to be
So
stacked.
that's another 40 pounds.
Okay, so next is bridge 3D printed with a 4-pound shelf.
That's right. Let's rock and roll,
You
baby.
ready? Here, I'll hold this. Free you up.
Oh, thank you. All right, I gotta make sure I don't drive Aaron crazy.
Oh, it's
Wait. We're
Look, man, I'm trying to cheat the system. I'm trying to make money off of this. There's gotta be a way to make money off of this.
Oh, that's 5.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is strong. You could tell this one was strong.
I'm really surprised because it felt like it buckled
Six.
more.
All right, so yeah, look, this is definitely stronger.
Yeah.
They sheared at the
interesting.
same exact point.
That's cool.
That's 6.
That was 6.
We'll call that 6.
Yeah.
6 times not 56 plus 4, so 60
50 pounds, all right.
All right.
Walker wins because it's the closest by 30 pounds.
What's next?
Bubbles.
Can you refresh us on our guesses for bubbles?
Oh yeah, Bubbles. We really went gangbusters. Tay with 75, Aaron with 130,
Oh.
Walker with 100, and some other guy with 151.
So I am predicting this one to be the weakest of all of them. 3D printed bubbles.
One.
1.
Oh. Easy, don't doubt it.
Oh, look at the
Oh, it's already bending.
Oh,
She's shaky leg.
27.
Oh, she's on.
Oh,
Let's go.
Wait, look at that.
wow.
Look at that.
It's actually got some ductile properties.
Well, see, now it's going to break because you have to put one over here.
I know, it's done.
So
That's it.
4.
Look at, yeah, it failed all the way in the corner.
Wow, all the way back.
Holy cow.
So I wonder if the holes were higher up because it's snapping all the way down to screws. Like that's what's holding it together.
Yeah.
The 5th one broke it, right?
We'll call it 4. Because it buckled hard at the
So
floor.
4.
Yeah.
We'll go test
40
this in the
pounds.
Bathroom.
Yeah. These would be better.
I think so.
All right, Tay won, and he was 35 pounds off. We're
Hey.
getting farther and farther away. Actually, I do think this one's gonna be pretty strong. I think it's gonna hold 157 pounds. All right,
This
so
is-
Do we think this is the strongest?
No.
I mean, so far, Bridge is the strongest with 60 pounds. I think this one's gonna not do it.
I think bridge is going to remain the strongest.
Oh, that was a solid stance. You see that?
know that.
Barely any movement at all.
Oh,
3.
it's going strong.
4. Wow.
Let's go.
Look at that though.
Wow.
5.
Whoa!
So this is the current record, right?
Yep.
6.
Wow.
Are we gonna need more weight?
Look how much weight you guys brought down.
Go!
Oh! That's holding it.
That's
Holding it. That's... All right, go, go, go.
£67 pounds.
Yes.
Okay.
Do we think this is the strongest?
The closest was Tay by
Didn't I guess 75?
43 pounds.
Oh
We
my
were
God.
farther away.
Oh my god.
All right, so let's move over to there.
Is that all of them?
That's the 3D printed one.
Cool.
I have never really studied the strength of 3D print, so that was kind of fascinating.
Yeah.
See, Tay was like, "Why are you guys printing these?" Now he's like, "Don't we have more?"
I did not say that.
So we have bubbles. Tay,
That really sends home the seriousness of this. All right, let's figure out bubbles.
Okay.
weight-wise,
I think the metal version of Bubbles will hold 162 pounds.
I'm going 180.
180. Walker, 220. I feel like I should go higher, but I don't want to. Let's go 173.
Let's do it! Okay.
Okay.
It can officially hold 50 pounds. I genuinely, I really have no idea what's about to happen.
Yeah. 1.
Try to spread the weight out, not that it really matters. So we've officially doubled and then plus 50 our 3D print patch score.
So that's 12, right?
Yeah.
12. 13. 20
Wow.
No signs.
and
of-
21.
Yeah, watch your toes at this point. That's a lot of weight.
$32. All right, we'll just call it there.
That is
All right.
officially holding 338 pounds. Where do we go now? We need big.
1, 2, 3, push. No way. Wow. Those are so. We probably just added, you got it to like 400 pounds.
Oh yeah. This could probably hold up to like 600, 700 pounds.
Wow.
Should I stand on it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Aaron, I just want to say I commend you for what you're willing to do for our company.
Listen, it's all for the views.
I've never said this before, Aaron, but I love you.
Oh. Oh my god.
Are you ready for it to fall out?
Is
Are you on it?
I'm on it.
Holy.
Whoa. How much do you weigh?
173.
Plus 173. 511 pounds.
All right, come on, Spike.
Yeah. All right. Easy. Transfer. Easy.
Still.
I'm
Yeah.
nothing.
Really?
Yeah.
This is insane.
And this is 1/8 inch steel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is 1/8 inch plate. It's holding 668 pounds right now.
With no signs of struggle.
Yeah.
That's wild.
There's nothing left to say.
What did we just hold?
668 pounds.
You wanna get up here?
Yes.
Here's the second question. Will this railing hold us?
I know. It's,
Real
I'm
good.
not touching anything but this.
Yeah.
Correct?
Oh!
We're failing?
Yep.
I'm going.
Okay. So that's the point of failing.
All right.
All right, so just like between 700 and 900 pounds.
Wow. That's cool. That feels cool to say.
Come look at it though. Look
Yeah.
how it failed. That's both of them in opposite directions.
Whoa. That's awesome.
That's pretty sweet.
Which is where we expected that to fail.
Yeah,
Right.
and that's our weakest one.
Yeah. Here's a question. Do we even...
No.
We can't do this with every single one.
Yeah.
Walker?
We'll go 300.
Oh, 300. Somebody didn't want engineering class. Raindrops. Walker.
340.
Aaron.
So we're gonna have a jet ski hanging on this thing by the end of
Easily our weakest design, and that was, we can call that 800 pounds.
Yeah,
Safely.
because we were all on it, and it was only until we started.
And it
like,
still didn't even fail.
yeah, technically you're right.
You know, it bent.
750 will guarantee. 800 at your own risk.
I will personally guarantee 668 pounds.
Good job,
Dude. Well, the verdict is we made really strong bookshelves.
Yes, we did.
That's right. For heavy readers out there.
Yeah. Oh, we should call this the Stephen King line. You can put all of his books onto one pair.
All right. Well,
I love it.
we make shelf brackets in-house, CNC plasma cut, hand welded and finished.
They're
and
real
painted.
strong.
They're real strong.
Yeah.
You can buy this design, all of these designs. Guys, model our design. And introducing the Noke. For obvious reasons.
Yeah.
It's modeled after the Roanoke Star, something we're very proud of here. It sits on top. It's the world's largest illuminated man-made star, and it sits right atop Mill Mountain here in Roanoke. And these are just in time for the holidays, an homage to the Roanoke Star. And these hold, who knows, 2,000 pounds.
I think so.
At least 668 pounds.
It's like 3/4 ton bracket.
That's an F-250 right there.
And our next line, Solstice.
Because they're spiritual, man. liftdarkstudios.com. They've been selling quite well. Thank you to everyone that's supported us on this endeavor so far. And this is what we're willing to do to ensure that you are getting the highest quality shelf brackets possible.
Yeah.
So this video is sponsored by Lift Dark Studios.
And if anybody has bought them and set them up, we'd love to see pictures of them wherever they reside now.
Per a recent request, we are actually now offering weld together kits, weld it yourself kits. They will come with the 2 bracket plates and the gusset. So 4 bracket plates, 2 gussets, a pair of brackets, but flat packed and unassembled, ready for you to weld them together yourself. If you're learning how to weld, or if you just want some projects for the weekends, or what have you, you can empower yourself with the weld it yourself kits. So those will be up on the store by the time this video launches as well. Thank you guys.
See you next
Bye.
time. Thank you, patrons. Blah, blah, blah.
Well, okay.
Yeah. All right, that's it.